Hello everyone, I am Monisha. I am here to talk about the role of data science in Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? It means it is a fourth industrial revolution. It focuses on the automation and the smart technologies in industries. It uses the technologies like IoT, cyber physical system, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. What is data science? Data science is about using a data to get useful information and make a good decisions. It includes collecting data, cleaning and processing it, analyzing it with statistics, using a machine learning. It helps companies understand their data and make a better decision. Next, how data science helps Industry 4.0. Data science is the brain of Industry 4.0. It handles a large amount of data from machines, finds pattern using a machine learning, helps in predicting when machines will break, improve manufacturing by reducing waste, supports automated decision without human help. So what are the applications in the Industry 4.0? Smart factories. Machines share data to work efficiently. Predictive maintenance detects and prevents a machine problem earlier. Supply chain optimization tracks products and reduces delays. Quantity control detects product defects automatically. Energy management saves electricity and reduces waste. Next, benefits and challenging. Benefits are increased efficiency and productivity, helps make faster database decision, reduce cost by predicting and preventing problems. And the challengings are helping huge data safely, protecting data privacy, finding skilled data. At last, the conclusion and the future. Data science is a very important for Industry 4.0. It helps industries turn data into smart actions. Future trends include AI, edge computing, advanced analysis. In the future, industries will become smarter and more automated with the help of data science. And that's all about the role of data science in industry. Thank you.